In this video, you'll learn how to create a chatbot using Claude Code. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you will set up a basic chatbot backend and enhance its functionality with advanced features. To begin, always start by creating a project folder. To keep your chatbot code organized, open your terminal command prompt and type namkdr chatbot project to create a new directory named chatbot project. After that, navigate into the folder by entering cd chatbot project. This step helps ensure that all your files are stored in one place. Next, you will initialize your project for a node.js chatbot. Type npm init-y in the terminal. This command generates a package.json file which contains metadata about your project. Following this, you will need to install the necessary dependencies. Enter npm install Express body parser to install Express and body parser. These packages are essential for setting up a web server and parsing incoming request bodies. After initializing your project, it's time to generate the basic chatbot code using Claude Code. In the terminal, type Claude generate, create a simple node.js chatbot using Express that can receive messages via post/chat and respond with a JSON message -output chatbot.js. Executing this command will create a file named chatbot.js that contains the foundational code for your chatbot. This includes setting up an Express server that listens for post requests at the /chat endpoint. Once the chatbot.js file is generated, you can run your chatbot server in the terminal, type no chatbot.js. This command starts your server, and you should see a message indicating that the chatbot is running at http://localhost 3000, and you can test your chatbot using tools like Postman curl or by integrating it with a front-end application that sends messages to the server. To enhance your chatbot's capabilities, you can use Claude Code to generate advanced logic. In the terminal, type Claude generate enhanced chatbot.js to respond to greetings, farewells, and basic questions intelligently. Keep the code simple and maintainable -output chatbot.js. This command updates your chatbot.js file with improved response logic, allowing your bot to handle more complex interactions. If you want to add a web interface for your chatbot, you can create a simple front end. In the terminal, type Claude generate, create a simple HTML plus JS front end that sends user messages to /chat and displays bot replies in a chat window -output index.html. This command will generate an index.html file. You can open this file in your web browser to interact with your chatbot visually. Finally, it is important to commit your chatbot to version control. Initialize a new Git repository by entering git init in the terminal. Next, stage your files with git add, and then commit your changes using git commit -m initial chatbot using Claude Code. If you have a remote repository set up, you can push your changes by typing git push origin branch name. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.